Well, Jed seemed to enjoy London. He's been talking about it all day. Made me feel quite homesick. I don't know if he even went to that farming exhibition. He seems to have spent most of his time in Soho.
Oh, that reminds me. I asked him to get something while he was up there. Well, actually, it's for you, because you'll get the pleasure out of it. I just hope he hasn't run the batteries down.
That's a funny one, isn't it?
Oh, it's my pocket recorder. While Jed was in London, I asked him to record some sounds of the city. I thought it might help you get a good night's sleep.
Oh, I see. That's really thoughtful of you.
Yes, I'll just put this on the stereo.
Have you noticed the change in Tyler since he's gone to this new school? He threw his skateboard on the bonfire. And he seems to be really into this new high jump lark he was talking about. He practices nearly every evening in his bedroom. Every time I pass his door, his bed springs are twanging like that.
Well, good, a boy of his age needs a hobby.
Yes, love it.
Right, heads down, lights out, and curtain up.
Hello, Farmer Boys.
Farmer Boys.
Well, here I am in my hotel in London and about to record some city sounds for Mrs. Boys. All right, here goes. First, a motorbike. And now, a train. Followed by a police car. Nina, 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 Nina. And an ambulance. Nina, 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 Nina. And then a fire engine. Nina, 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 Nina. Oh, I have to stop now. Somebody banged on the wall. Over and out.
I'm going to try the city.